Where to find the best Japanese desserts in Bangkok? So, why not indulge in Japanese sweets that transport your taste buds all the way to Tokyo while you're in Bangkok? Delicate flavors and beautiful presentation have made Japanese desserts a worldwide hit, and Bangkok is home to plenty of shops selling these lovely treats. Read on to find out where to discover the best Japanese desserts in Bangkok. 9 must-try Japanese desserts in Bangkok. Mochi, a tasty treat with a chewy texture and burst of flavor. Mochi, a cherished Japanese sweet, is meticulously hand-pounded by artisans who steam it to achieve a tender, soft, and chewy texture. The delicacy is made from glutinous rice flour and steamed until it is soft and smooth. Its chewy texture and cultural significance make it a popular choice in New Year's celebrations. You can enjoy its magical taste by grilling it and eating it with syrup or soy sauce, or even dipping it in a hot pot. Daifuku, mochi filled with irresistible and delectable delights. This sweet treat uses mochi flour wonderfully, resulting in a soft and chewy dough that can be stuffed with a wide range of ingredients, such as strawberries, red bean paste, matcha, or even sakura. To prevent sticking, these treats are often dusted with corn flour or rice flour. For optimal taste and texture, it is best to enjoy them shortly after they've been made, as the mochi can harden and lose its flavor if left out for too long. Dorayaki, fluffy pancakes with scrumptious, sweet fillings. Dorayaki, a beloved Japanese treat, resembles stacked pancakes filled with sweet red bean paste. Nowadays, dorayaki can be found with an array of fillings such as cream, chocolate, sweet potato, custard, fruits, ice cream, and even a variety of other desserts. Taiyaki, fish-shaped sweet treats that will hook you with every bite. Taiyaki is a delicious Japanese treat, featuring a unique pastry filled with different flavors, such as red bean paste or creamy fillings reminiscent of cake batter. Traditionally, people primarily filled taiyaki with red bean paste. However, nowadays, establishments offer a diverse array of fillings, like custard cream, chocolate, and more. Besides the assorted fillings, taiyaki is frequently enjoyed with ice cream or soft serve, adding a splendid touch that appeals to visitors, children, and teenagers alike. Wagashi, a masterfully crafted Japanese delicacy. Wagashi is renowned for its top-notch quality and popularity due to its aesthetically pleasing artistry, perfectly complementing a warm cup of green tea. These unique confections are remarkable not only for their elegant appearance, but also for the demonstration of the exceptional craftsmanship involved in their creation. Raindrop cake, a mesmerizing crystal-clear treat. The raindrop cake is a magical dessert that captures the essence of a transparent raindrop. Made with a delicate mix of water, sugar, and agar powder, it moves gently on your plate. Decorated with velvety karamitsu, brown sugar syrup, and sprinkled with fragrant kinako, roasted soybean flour, it serves as a delightful refreshment during the warm summer months. Dango, a tantalizing dance of flavors on a stick. Dango, a traditional Japanese dessert, is primarily prepared with glutinous rice flour. The flour is mixed and shaped into round dumplings. Then, it is either steamed or boiled. Instead of using fillings like in daifuku, the cooks grill and skewer the cooked dumplings before dousing them in a variety of sauces. With its dense and chewy texture, dango contrasts the fluffy mochi. The Japanese enjoy savoring this dessert during the sakura season, often accompanied by a cup of traditional green tea. Japanese cheesecake, fluffy clouds of happiness. Japanese cheesecakes, also known as soufflé cheesecakes, cotton cheesecakes, or light cheesecakes, contrast from cheesecakes in other countries. The dessert derives its name from its airy, soft texture. As a Japanese specialty, this cheesecake boasts a gentler, less sweet flavor, and fewer calories compared to its American counterpart. Additionally, the recipe uses less cheese and sugar, resulting in a texture that melts in your mouth and making it an all-time delicious treat. Pouring, a mouth-watering, sugary pudding dessert. The Japanese adore pouring, which we call pudding in English for its subtle and irresistible flavor. Its light texture and an addictive quality has won over the palates of numerous individuals. It's no surprise that the Japanese are obsessed with this scrumptious dessert. Visit these sweet escapes, which will definitely make your world happier. Follow Fausia on where to find the best Japanese desserts in Bangkok.